on.
We want our horses securely tied and tied with a proper fitting halter. The halter should fit below the cheekbone, 1 finger length, have room for their throat latch. You want to be able to move around the horse. And have room that there's nothing they can get tangled in. Okay, I usually start on my mount side. And we want to start with a nice circular, like these little rubber poles to start with. We want a good circular motion. And we want to see some pressure in that. And of course, right now we are hiding with winter hair. We're going to have lots of pressure. To bring that hair to the top. You're going to use this brush. I like to do about 1/3 of the horse. And now, as you can see, we need to clean these brushes because of the fact. So I always carry 2 brushes, step far enough away. So when you do that, you don't split your horse. And I'm using this brush to clean this brush. This brush here, this curry flex here, good circular motions. Once again, I divide my horse in about 1/3 and up under that belly. And once again, clean that brush. As you can see, it's full of hair. Summertime, it'll be full of dust and dirt. Okay, and then the other 1/3 of your horse. Making sure there's some pressure. You want to see that horse's skin moving when you're grooming them, because that is giving them a good massage. It's bringing all your dust, dirt, dandruff, and also massaging that horse. With this brush, because it's a pretty soft and flexible curry, you can go into the fleshy parts. Top of the legs, once again keeping your body in a safe position and keeping that horse squared up. Make sure you get in between your legs, down through that chest, but do not get in front of that horse. Work your way back over to the back, keeping your hand on your horse. Get that muscle there, getting those cheeks. The inside of those legs, especially mares, they can get pretty crusty in there. Once again, stand touching your horse to clean your brush out, or get far enough away. Clean your brush out. I just switch hands on this. I'm going to use my stiff daddy next, and we're going to get rid of some of that hair and dandruff we brought up. Once again, my free hand is against that horse, so I can feel if she moves. Long strokes, and don't forget to keep cleaning this brush by stepping away, or it's acceptable to keep your elbow on your horse as you clean. Now with the hair being so long, you basically want to step away and get the hair away from them. Good flicky motions. Don't forget to get under those bellies. And as you see, I'm not going down below the hock or below the knee with this equipment. And pull those tails to the side, standing off to the side of your horse, inside of those legs, checking inside those legs. Now for this purpose, I am only going to groom one side. So I'm going to clean out my curry and clean out my brush. Exchange this brush for this is a softer brush. And the softer brush is going to bring, oh girl, talk to your horse, let her know they're coming. The softer brush is going to bring any of the oils up to the top and smooth that hair out. In the summertime, it'll get a nice gleam on the hair coats. Right now, it's just going to lay it down. Don't forget to keep stepping away and cleaning. Good sweeps, good long sweeps. up under that belly, between those front legs. And try to flick some of that dirt and hair off. Between the legs, inside muscling, down to the front, inside muscles between the legs. Keep that brush cleaned out. So many people, even in the summertime, forget to clean their brushes. Okay, so now what we can do is with this brush, because it's soft, and this curry comb, because it is soft, basically you could go down the rest of the leg, inside, outside, and in the fetlock area. Okay, same thing on the back leg. We're going to go bring that leg out good, brush it. As you see, I'm turning my body the opposite direction, so I can bend down and clean your brushes.